I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by enabling Dynamic Island so the system can surface contextual content. Open Settings and go straight to Notifications. Once there, enable Dynamic Island and allow the system to manage floating alerts. Make sure you grant notification access to apps you want in the island, because without permissions, they won't appear. Once done, test with a timer or incoming call to confirm the pill appears. This first step sets the foundation for interactive, glanceable content. Now you customize which apps and behaviors will use the Dynamic Island. In Notifications Dynamic Island, pick apps to allow expanded interactions. Choose priority so urgent alerts override media controls. You can tweak animation speed and pill size to reduce distraction or highlight content. For messaging and call apps, enable long press or swipe gestures to reveal quick replies and controls. Because app-level permissions control richness, make sure each app's notification style is set to show full content for the best experience. Finish by actively using Dynamic Island across common tasks so you internalize gestures and responses. Watch media, start a navigation route, and use timers to see how the island changes contextually. Practice swipes and long presses to reveal controls. If the island stops updating, restart the One UI process or toggle Dynamic Island off and back on to force a refresh. If problems persist, clear the affected app's cache or reset its notification permissions, because stale caches or blocked permissions are the usual causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.